Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today from my very sunny kitchen. As you can see, it's very sunny, but that's the advantage of having disadvantage or advantage depending on the day of having windows which are 5.5 meters tall and 5 meters wide. It's a lot of sun, especially in a sunny day. But anyway, today it's another cooking vlog because as everybody who knows me know, I love to cook. I find this very therapeutic. Kitchen is my happy place. I love cooking, I love eating. Yeah, let's start with that. I like eating. I love cooking, eating, I like feeding people, I like being a host, hosting, inviting, gathering, eating, drinking, everything. This is life. So, as you might know from my video a couple of days ago, I got quite sick recently and I got a massive cold sore and I felt not well in general, and then I thought, what might be a better thing to have when you feel not very well, a bit sick, than a hot vegetable homemade soup. So I thought I will show you how I make mine. It's very popular, according to a popular belief. The best soup for cold and not feeling well is a chicken soup, but I have my own twist to it. I will make lentil soup today based on a chicken stock. So keep on watching. I try to keep my ingredient list quite minimal and healthy and simple and easy. So what I will need is, start with 1 medium-sized onion. This will be a portion for one person or two if the other person do not eat much. Definitely not for me and my husband together because he eats a lot. So 1 small onion, this much of lentil, I have a little bit left, red lentil, 1 sweet potato, this one is on the bigger side but that's okay, 2 small baby potatoes, normal white potatoes, ginger, I will not use all of these but I'll use it, chicken. Oh, this is not chicken, this is vegetable, but I have another one. Chicken stock, gluten-free, and variety of spices. And my favorite recently is cumin and coriander. I'll also add some garlic, which I forgot to mention before, but anyway, garlic is always a good idea. I believe you can never go wrong with too much garlic. But you can skip this part if you don't like it. So I'm starting off with, I've added some olive oil in my pot already, which is prepared. I also add some butter. I'm starting off with chopping onion. You don't have to be very particular. I'll just chop it like small pieces. It's going to fall apart during cooking anyway, so it doesn't make much of a difference. This is my favorite soup that I make quite often for myself, my family. My husbands love it. My mother-in-law not so much. But she likes other things I made, so it's okay. So my oil is heating here. I use this is empty now. This is quite popular brand. I think it's a virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil. Okay. And I have my onion here chopped as well as the garlic. This is honestly, believe me, one of the fastest soup you will ever make. Fastest, the easiest, and one of the most delicious. Try, see for yourself, and you can thank me later in the comments. The funny thing is that I cook today, now, and then in the evening tonight I'm making a little party where I'm going to cook again, because every Monday, today is Monday, I don't know when this video will go up, but today is Monday, there is a documentary about military regiment where my husband works. So we gather with all family and I cook and we are watching it, I guess because I'm very proud wife. I have a very proud military wife moment every Monday. I mean every day I'm proud of him, but I like to watch this show with my family. So I think the oil should be ready now. Yes. Sorry about the sound, it will be a little bit loud. Yeah, and we need to saute it for a bit. The sun is a little bit in my way, which is a little bit annoying now, but we'll deal with that. I was about to tell you tonight for this watching of this documentary what I'm going to cook. I'm going to make pulled pork burgers. I will make pulled pork and gluten-free buns, of course, and then beetroot and pepper salad with some cheese and pickles. Yeah, I'm sure my husband would love it. I love to cook for him all the time, and he's always praising my cooking skills, of course. Yeah, I moved you here because this sun is getting in my way, and that's a little bit annoying. So yeah, recently my husband asked me like, why am I all the time at home, just not going out really, cooking, eating, and hosting my family for food mostly. Well, that's because honestly that's what I enjoy now, and that's what I want to do. And by the way, I chopped up potatoes here, sweet potatoes and normal potatoes in the cubes of around this size. That's what you need. So as you know, I recently quit my job, and honestly I don't feel the need of being out there amongst people at all, because the last couple of years were so intense for me. I spent so much time filming here, letting you see all of that. It's actually quite a challenge. So yeah, the last couple of years I spent being a guest at home, being every few days somewhere else, all the time, traveling from one country to another, one continent to another. And honestly, I enjoy being at home, and I love being at home now. And what I want now, at least for some time, is this type of domesticated housewife life. So, and cooking and feeding my hubby is a part of it for now. So as for now, here I have onion, garlic, ginger, sweet potato, normal potato, and I'm adding red lentil. You can add green lentil as well. This is about this much. That might be too much for one person, but I'll do it anyway. Whee! I'll do it anyway, and I'll probably have some left for later. So it's all being sauteing in oil. Let me just quickly show you. Yeah, so as I said, in here I have olive oil, a bit of butter, ginger, garlic, yeah, sweet potato and normal potato, and red lentils. So I let it saute, like simmer for a bit, just to brown it, not really brown it, but to get this type of like fried kind of taste. And then I'm going to cover it with water and add all the spices. I'm sorry, that's a bit annoying. You can't see both of me and cooking process, but I have to work with what I have lighting wise right now. So after a couple of minutes, I add about this much of water just to cover the veggies a little bit. And now what we are going to start will be a spices party. So I'm adding the whole cube of chicken stock, gluten-free. Then I have to hold my camera this way, because with this tripod and this light it's nearly impossible. I add 2, 3, as much as I did grab, 3 bay leaves. In we go. Yeah, a little bit of sweet red pepper. You can use smoked pepper if you want. This is around this much as I use. Then some, that was a smoked paprika. Then some black pepper, a little bit of salt. Not too much because the chicken stock is salty already. And then 3 of these. I don't know what it is in English. I'll check that for you and I'll pop it in the screen for later on. So I'll pop 3. And then my favorite spice recently, which will be ground cumin. Oopsie. That's a lot. And a bit of coriander. Yes, yes, yes. This is how we do it, baby. Okay, so that's how it looks like for now. We are going to stir it and let it be. At this point, for now, most of the cooking is actually really done. We are done. What I'm going to do is pop the lid in here and let it be. As I said, I'll keep it on low. I think I will have to adjust. Oh, I turn it off. 4, which is quite medium. Keep it here 15 minutes or cook on low for as long as lentil is falling apart, and you have it ready, done. I'll get back to you when it's ready. And here we are, 20 minutes later. Let me, nice. In the meantime, I had a little taste check and I added some chili, which is optional, you don't have to do it. Chili and more coriander and more cumin. Let me stir it. I just want to show you the consistency. If you can see that. Can you see that? That's how it looks like. Let me see if the veggies are all soft. Guys, I almost have skipped adding my most frequently used ingredients, which you might have seen in my previous cook with me video. This is homemade tomato paste concentrate. It goes as ketchup, goes as everything. So I will add 2 teaspoons of this. Yes. I add it to my shrimps as well. I mean prawns and everything. It goes with everything and it adds this rich, flavorful cake as well as with a bit of color. I'm talking to you like this. I don't know which position should I adapt for you to see properly. This filming is a struggle. But yeah, the color looks like this now. Yum! Yeah, it's perfectly cooked. We can turn off the heat and go ahead with indulging. I love how colorful it is. I love the consistency. I love nutritious value. Everything is perfect in this soup. I should get a bigger spoon, because this one is like a baby spoon, and as we all know, I do not eat like a baby. So here we are, it's ready. This is how it looks like. I hope it will not fall out of my bowl. You see, perfect soup. It's this type of like thick, warm, fall type of soup for cold fall evenings, and this soup will warm up your whole body. It will warm up your soul. It will warm everything up. And last but not least, it's time for a taste test. So let's have a try. It's very hot. It is very hot. Perfect. Really good. Flavorful, rich in taste, rich in spices, rich in vegetables, delicious. Very good. Usually people say do not try this at home, but please do try this at home. You will love it. If you will recreate this recipe, please let me know down in the comments. If you like this video and you would like more of this, more of my cooking videos, please do let me know as well in the comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a delicious dinner, lunch, breakfast, whatever, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!